Welcome to the text session, children. Have you all started reading the story? And this session is for grade 9 children. This session is for grade 9 children. What is the story we are going through now? It is prose lesson 3, The Little Girl by Catherine Mansfield. What is the title of the lesson? The Little Girl, and it is written by Catherine Mansfield. It is prose lesson 3. Have you all started reading the story? Did you enjoy reading it? How is the story? Could you recollect your childhood days when you read the story? The story is giving way for you to remember your childhood days, how it was. When you read the story, could you place yourself in the role of a girl, Kezia? Who is the central role in the story? The main character, the central character of the story is a girl named Kezia. Come on, spell the word Kezia. K-E-Z-I-A. Kezia. Kezia is her name. So she is the central character of the story. And she is the one who is present throughout the story, and the story also revolves around her character. And she is a little girl. Could you guess the age of her? What is the age of her? She is around 4 to 5 years old. Okay. Even though her name is not, even though her age is not mentioned, we could guess her age. She is around 4 to 5 years old, and her name is Kezia. She is the main character of the story. I asked you to write some instances, some incidents where Kezia starts to dislike her father. She has an aversion towards her father. And why it happens? Which made Kezia hate her dad? What are the instances? What are the incidents? There are many incidents in the story. Have you read 2 pages? If you have read 2 pages, you will come to know what are the incidents which made her to hate her dad. Now we will read the story. This is one of the incidents. I don't know whether you have listed it out or not. I'll tell you this. On Sunday afternoons, grandmother sent her down to the drawing room to have a nice talk with father and mother. Will this happen in your home, children? During Sunday, will you have a good time with your father and mother? Will you spend time with your father and mother? Will you share things with them? Yes, will you share things with them or not? You will do. But this is happening in a reverse way. On Sunday afternoons, grandmother sent her down to the drawing room to have a nice talk with father and mother. But what will happen there? If you have read the story, you would know what will happen there. The little girl always found mother reading the newspaper and father stretched out on a sofa. In the image you could see how her father is lying there in a sofa. This little girl is standing away from them. She is not getting closer to them. This shows a kind of hatred in her mind. We could not say this as a hatred. This is a kind of fear. This is a kind of control which she has towards herself. That is the reason why she is standing away from them. She doesn't like her dad. And see how he is lying. He is lying stretched in the sofa with his legs on a cushion, and he is having a cloth on his face. And how he is sleeping there. Read the next line. His handkerchief on his face, his feet on the best cushions. If a little girl is going to see her dad like this, will she like him? She will not like him, children. Why? What is the reason she will not like him? He is having his leg on the best cushion. No little children will accept this. When you were a little child, you would have many dolls. You would have many cushions, which is very close to you, cushion pillows, heart pillows, cushion pillows, which is very close to you. And someone is going to stamp that you will not like. Such a thing is happening in Kezia's house also. He is having his handkerchief on his face, his feet on one of the best cushions, sleeping soundly and snoring. What is the meaning of the word snoring? Sound, because of the breath. Snoring sound. A little girl is not interested in listening to that snoring sound. Understand the context. This little girl is sent by her grandmother to have a good time with her parents. But whereas something reverse is happening here. No one is ready to spend time with her. Even her mother is not ready to spend time with her. She is busy in reading newspaper. And she is seeing her dad. Dad is not ready to spend time with her. He is having a good sleep, nap, the daytime sleep. Stretched out in the sofa, having his leg on the best cushions. The girl is not accustomed to such atmosphere. The girl is not getting accustomed. She is not getting used to such atmosphere. Because she is a girl of 4 or 5 years old. When I was 4 or 5 years old, I would be the same. I would be a girl of innocence. The same is happening here. She is not ready to accept that. And while she is sleeping, the snoring sound she is not ready to accept. That is the reason why you could see that there in the picture, she is staying away from her father and from her mother also. Understand the contradictory situation which is being faced by the girl. Next, when this is happening, what she will do then? She sat on a stool, gravely watched him until he woke. What is the meaning of the word gravely? She sat on a stool gravely. That is, she sat on a stool worried in a worried way. She is not ready to face them. She is not ready to talk with them. She stayed away from them and she sat there on a stool until he woke up. Until he woke. She is waiting for him to get up from his sleep, because the reason is when he closes his face with a handkerchief, it shows that he doesn't want anyone to disturb his sleep. And even mother is not ready to listen to her, to pay attention. That is the reason why this little girl is sitting on a chair. And she is sitting gravely, she is sitting disappointed. A distance. She is not in close relationship with her father, or she is not that much intimate with her mother also. This happens because of her father's attitude. Try to understand. If your dad is going to be strict in your home, you will not know what is happiness. You will not know what is enjoyment. And you will not know what is freedom. You will feel like you are being under the clutches. So that same is happening in her house. One day, we are moving to the next incident. One day, when she was kept indoors, okay, we are moving to the next incident now. We have discussed one incident. Next incident, one day when she was kept indoors. What is the meaning of the word indoors? When she was playing inside, she is not allowed to move outside of her house. Everything Everything in the story describes the control which is possessed by her father. Her father will never let things free. Do you have such situation in your home? You don't have such situation. You will be free in your house. But this little girl is not free in her house. It is not happening according to her expectation. So one day when she is playing indoors, her grandmother told her that father's birthday was next week. Her grandmother is spending time with her. At that time, meanwhile, this grandma is telling her that your father's birthday falls by next week. So when the little girl hears about this, what she will do then? Is there any idea? Have you read the story? Yes, she is getting ready with a gift. How she is getting ready with a gift? Grandma is giving a suggestion over there. What suggestion is given by grandma? That is what you are going to read now. Read now. A suggestion is given by grandma. What kind of gift can be made to her father? Okay. If you are going to read that, you will come to know what is the suggestion given by grandma. You are going to find out the point in your textbook. You are going to read what is the suggestion given by grandma, and you are going to post it in WhatsApp group. Even now, I'll call out your names. Only those students have to come out with the suggestion what is given by grandma. Will you read your textbook? I'll repeat the points. Her grandma told her that her father's birthday was next week. When this little girl heard this from her grandma, she is interested in doing something for her father. And what she is going to do for her father? That is what we are going to see. Her grandma gave her a suggestion. It is better to go with this. You can do such thing for your father. Grandma will suggest something. What is that something? You read in your textbook what is that suggestion, and you are going to post the thing. I should receive the answers only from the students whom I am going to point out. Understand the context, children. You are not supposed to post the answers immediately after the session. Understand the context. You are not supposed to post your answers immediately after the session. Read the text. Grandma will give a suggestion to the girl. You have to understand what is the suggestion. Get ready with the idea. What is that suggestion? I'll give you time till evening. Read the story. By evening, I'll call out few names in group. I will tell few names in group. Those students should come out with the answer. Only I need the answers from those students. It is not from everyone. Be ready. Evening, I'll send some names that students have to post your answers in group. Will you get ready with the suggestion which is given by grandma? Everyone should read the text. Will you read the text? And I'll give you the names. You have to post me the answers in WhatsApp group. Get ready with that.